Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a subscription box website using Shopify. First, we're going be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So, without further ado, let's get going. First, we're going to go over here on our products section and we're going to click on add product. Here we are going to start uploading all of our products. For example, I'm going to start with and here we are going to copy our title and we're going to click over here on generate text and we're going to paste our title right here. Here we're going to click on generate so that Shopify generates an automatic description for us. Here we can either choose to generate the description again over here or just click here to keep the one we already have. For me, yeah, here we're going to click on upload new and we're going to choose an image for our product. On the right over here we also have a product type, our vendor, our collections section and our tags section. Here for collections, make sure you add your product to your homepage collection so that it is displayed later over there. And for our tags we can put, for example, monthly, and that would be one of our tags. Below our image, as you can see, we also have a category section right over here. Here Shopify is going to choose an automatic category for us, and it's almost always going to be correct. But if we want, we can click over here and we can change it if we so wanted. If we keep going down, you can see that we also have a pricing section. Let's say that I'm going to charge around 50,000 pesos for this, and our cost per item is going to be around 40,000 pesos. This is going to give us a 10,000 pesos profit at a 20% margin of profit. For inventory, I'm just going to uncheck this because we are not going to keep track of inventory. And here we also have a weight section to assign a weight to our product in case we are going to do any kind of shipping. Lastly, once we are done, we're going to click over here on save, and that way we would have our first product uploaded. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on here on add product again, and I'm going to keep uploading all of the products that I want on my online store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done. As you can see, now I have added all of the products that I want on my store. I have added a makeup box, a meal prep box, and a sour candy box. So next we're going to go over here on our online store and we are going to start to customize it. First, we're going to be able to change its theme. For example, if we go down, you can see that Shopify is going to give us a bunch of free themes for us to use. But if we want to see more of them, we can go over here on Visit Theme Store, and this is going to redirect us to the Shopify theme store, which is going to have, as you can see right over here, a lot more themes for us to choose from. Here we can find a theme that can better suit our website, but for me, I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So back over here, we're going to click on Customize. Customize, and as you can see here we are going to have a lot of different sections that we can customize. Each section is going to be outlined by this blue line right here, and here on the top left you are going to be able to see the image of the section we have currently selected. On our right we are going to have a lot of different options to customize our section. For example, this is our image banner, and here if we click select add images, we are going to be able to choose an image to be our banner. So once it's done uploading, I'm going to click on done, and as you can see, the background for our banner has now changed. Next, we're going to click over here on our heading and we're going to change the text. For example, I'm going to put welcome to my subscription. Now let's say that we also want to add a new section to our website. What we're going to do is we're going to go over here on the left to template and we're going to click on add section. Here we're going to have a lot of different options. We're going to have a featured collection, featured product, collections list, etc. For now, let's just choose a featured product, and as you can see here at the bottom, a new section has appeared. We're going to click it, and here on the right at the very top we're going to have a select button, which is going to let us select a product to be displayed right over here. For example, I'm going to select my men's fragrance box, and as you can see my product is now being displayed right over here. Now let's say that we want to change this section a little bit. For example, let's change its color scheme and we're going to put a nice dark theme. Now let's say that we have added a new section, for example a featured collection, but we have added this by mistake and we want to delete this section. what we're going to do is make sure we have this section selected, and here on the right we're going to click on remove section. This way the section is going to be removed. We can also add sections to our footer and our header if we want. Here on our footer you can see that we can add an email sign up and a custom liquid, and the same goes for our header. We can also add a custom liquid and an announcement bar. Another very important thing about our header is going to be that right here our store's name is going to be displayed. So in order to change it, what we're going to do is we're going to save our changes. We're going to go back and we're going to the home page of Shopify. Here we're going to click on name your store, name store again, and here we're going to be able to change our store's name. For example, I'm just going to put subscription box. We save our changes, and now to make sure that everything is correct, we're going to go to our online store again, but now we're going to click on the three dots right here and we're going to click on preview. This is going to redirect us to our website, and as you can see right over here, our store's name has now changed. We can go down to make sure that everything else is set up just the way we want, and once we are done checking out our website, we are going to go back over here and we are going to go over the analytics and marketing section. Here, this is going to be a really important section for us, guys, because we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and a lot of different things, such as which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, and a lot more information, which is going to really help us manage and customize our website all from the same place. Lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section. Here, if we click on add a discount, we're going to choose an amount of products. We are going to be able to customize our own discounts for our store. For example, here we're going to be able to choose the code for our discount. Let's say that we are going to put box 101, or if we just click over here, Shopify is going to choose a random code for us. Here for discount value, we're going to choose, for example, that is going to be a percentage value, and it's going to be a 10% discount. Here we're going to choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. So here we're going to click on browse and we're going to choose the products on our homepage collection. Once we add them, as you can see here, all our discount would apply to the products on our homepage. If we keep going down, you can see that we have further options to customize our discounts, such as if we need any minimum purchase requirements for it, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and also right at the end, if we click over here, we can set the expiration date for our discount. For example, I'm going to choose it in the 6th, and once we are done customizing it, we are going to click on save discount, and we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.